What is up, everyone? Welcome back to With a Roleplay. My name is Matthew, and welcome back to dairy farming life up on Upper Mississippi River Valley. And welcome back to the map. So, I just have this bad boy up in the shop, tightening some knives down, because we're about to go mow some grass today. That's right, we're going to go mow some grass, bale it. Frig, I just ran right into my truck. That ain't good. Oh well. Nothing I can't buff out. Now we're gonna be heading out. Oh my gosh. See, this is why I don't like driving this thing. I don't like these wheels in the back. It's like driving a zero turn. Well, the Hofflinger family's left. They did have a surveying company out, and they were surveying everything, so pretty glad they are headed out now, but it's got me on edge, you know. It's got me on edge quite a bit, because I don't know why they're trying to set up this close to my farm. Or what they're doing this close to my farm. But spoke to my brother a little bit more about it the other day. And he just told me not to worry about it. It's something that the Halflingers usually do. You know, they try to mess with people. So, you know. We got the new Lieutenant Jimmy. He works down at the dealership. So, it's good to have him in. So, if I have any problems down at the dealership, he can help out. Now we're just heading out. Look at all the nice fields out here. There's our field growing pretty good. Oh my gosh, man. This thing, it turns like a beast. I can do a 180 in 5 seconds. Our field's looking pretty good down there, actually. Ain't too bad. Ain't too bad at all. Get down there and spray her a bit. I got a sprayer coming in. It's a little bit more of an odor sprayer, but I think it will do well for what we're doing right now. So, supposed to go be in to pick it up sooner or later this week. Got the stop sign here. Anything coming? Can't see. Nope. Nope. Alright. That car's about 5 miles off, so. Nice. Here's our our grass field right here. I think we'll get a little work done on it, and then I'll bring y'all back after it's done. But I'll definitely make a pass on it before I turn the camera off. I think we have to go out here and hook it up. There it goes. Nice. V to lower it. B to turn it on. There she goes. Now she's mowing away. Pretty good too. Really? I got her stuck again? Alright, you guys. I think I'll bring y'all back once the field's looking pretty good. Alright, you guys. We're back. So we left Mitch down on the field. Mitch is our neighbor's husband. He came out to run that for us, so we thought that was great because that allowed us to get back in here and get the baler, because we're just going to go ahead and start baling this right off the lot. We're not going to make it hay or anything. We're just going to make it straight grass because we're going to plan on silaging it. Oh. We're going to silage it up. I'll rent a roller from town. We're gonna rent a wrapper from town and bring it up over here. So we're gonna go ahead and go out and start baling. I'm gonna take the John Deere 4420, I think is what this is. So, oh boy, he's blocked by an object. What object could I possibly be blocked by? Don't know what object it got blocked by, but I'm about to go see. Once I drive over there. We're gonna head over that way now with the baler. Cannot wait. I haven't seen the Kaufman family all day too, so that makes me excited to not see them come around. It's just a whole bundle of joy over here. 1 second. Okay, now I'm back. Sorry about that. Had a little bit of a technical malfunction there with my headphone cord out. Alright, love this tractor. These are some good old tractors. This is the 4240, my bad. 4240. That's what I'm driving right now. Oh, there's no telling what he got stuck by over there. Alright, you guys, I will... Oh, shoot, didn't even stop to look. We just rode right across it. We rode a stop sign. Alright, guys, I'm going to bring you right back once I figured out what's going on with this guy. Alright, now we're back. We got him back working there. He just kind of stopped for a minute. I don't know. He needed a water break, I think. Something like that. So, like, okay, no problem, man. So, we gave him his water break, and now we're back. Back on the farm. Back to start getting ready to bale up some freaking grass, man.
Hey, boss, all done with this job.
Are you kidding me? Okay, you know, I'm not gonna worry about it right now. Or actually I am. I'll bring y'all back. Alright, guys. Now I think I got all that done, settled out with, so. We're gonna start baling this first strip around here. Getting it done and going. We got some fresh grass in here, so should be some pretty good grass. Hopefully it will dry out pretty well. It won't dry out pretty well, but hopefully it will silage pretty well. I'm hoping it will. Oh, there goes my alarm already ringing. There's one bell. There's one bell done. Oh, they're small bells. That's why they're done so quickly. Well, you know what? I'll stick with the small bells for first. No reason not to. Just means I'm gonna get more grass bells off this than I'm gonna need. So some of this is gonna go to sell. Actually, a lot of this is gonna go to sell. It looks like a lot of it's gonna go up to sell, so it's not gonna be too bad, but it's not what I want. I'll keep probably about a good 2 trailers off of this, though, because, oops, god dang, I'm already full again. I'll probably keep a good 2 trailers off of this, though, because we'll definitely need that much. We need about that much, so that'd be good. It's another day on the farm, y'all. Another day on the farm. Baling up some hay, getting her done, man. We're getting her done today. This field is freaking horrendously filled too. This is gonna be a bad thing. If it rolls on a hill, is it gonna roll? Okay, no, it's not gonna roll sideways. So that is a good sign, because I thought, ooh, if it rolls sideways, Hopefully this one doesn't roll. Nope, road right back. Okay, cool. That was my fear that those things were gonna roll because they're right down that hill. Man, I think this might be the episode here, boys and girls. I don't think I'm gonna get this field done and everything today, but we'll get it done. Done up. I haven't seen the Hoffmans yet. That's just good to know. Let's open my course play. It's always good to know. So. Right, guys. Well, I'll bring you back when we got some more of this done. Well, that's not a good sign. And they go. Taking off. Damn it. I knew saying I hadn't seen the Hofflinger family was a bad idea. He just stopped me and accused me of taking property. Said the sheriff's going to be out to visit me pretty soon. That's always a good idea. Well, I'm going to head back to the farm with this thing. I got a belt issue in the back of this thing, so I gotta take it back to the farm and fix that up. And crap, now I gotta worry about the dang sheriff coming out to my place now, because guarantee you he's gonna go over there and say that I stole some property when I didn't steal crap from him. One more thing to worry about today. Seems like I woke up on a beautiful day to do some haying or do some grass baling, and crap goes along all the time. Dang Hofflinger family. Alright, let's see. Need some belts and... Uh-oh. Oh boy. Here we go. Better go talk to the sheriff, you guys. I'm gonna set the camera down. I'm sure you don't want to be recorded or anything like that. Oh, that wasn't a good visit. So there goes the sheriff. Yep, well, basically, the Hofflingers went down there and followed a motion that I took this property from them. So, that's right. The sheriff just came out and gave me a court order. I gotta appear in court with all the deeds and everything, showing that it's my property. Freaking great, dude. I knew them freaking buying that field, bringing a freaking surveyor out was... Oh my god, I'm so mad right now. Ugh, freaking... Oh my god. Now I gotta go to court and all over this freaking crap for... This is my farm. My brother bought this farm, fair and square. It's our farm. Oh gosh. God, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. I am so frustrated right now. I can't even think straight. I'm gonna get this dang baler going, and I'm just gonna go out there and bathe some wet grass. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I can't even bale now because it's freaking raining, so the grass is gonna be wet. So I'm gonna leave it here, guys. God. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, and share it out. And thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys later.